Artificial intelligence is reshaping the world of work. Just as the internet created new jobs, AI is now set to create fresh job opportunities that we couldn't have even imagined just a few years ago. In this video, we'll explore 3 jobs that are exciting and essential, which will emerge in the future with AI, and explain what skills are needed to enter each one. 1. AI trainer. One of the important future jobs is the person who trains artificial intelligence. These individuals help systems better understand human language, provide more accurate responses, and behave more naturally. Just like a sports coach prepares a player for competition, an AI trainer feeds models with the right data and examples to improve their performance. Required skills. For this job, you need to be familiar with data science and machine learning. A solid understanding of natural language processing (NLP), programming with Python, and data analysis are key skills. 2. AI interaction designer. In the future, most people will work with technology through AI interfaces. An interaction designer is the one who creates the user experience so that conversations or collaborations with AI are simple, engaging, and practical. For example, designing chatbots, voice assistants, or even robots that help us in daily life falls under their responsibility. Required skills. To enter this field, you need a mix of user experience UX design, knowledge of behavioral psychology, and some programming skills. Storytelling ability and designing natural dialogues are also very important. 3. AI Ethics and Policy Analyst. With the rapid growth of AI, ethical and legal discussions are becoming especially important. Someone must decide how appropriate it is to use AI in medicine, education, or politics, and what regulations should be followed. This will be one of the most in-demand fields in the future, because we need AI to be fair, safe, and trustworthy. Required skills. For this job, you need to be familiar with ethics, laws related to technology, as well as the fundamentals of artificial intelligence. Critical thinking, research skills, and the ability to write precise reports are also key traits of a successful analyst. Overall, it can be said that AI doesn't just threaten traditional jobs, it also creates new opportunities. If you start today and invest in data skills, design, and critical thinking, you can become one of the pioneers in these future careers.